In today's video, I will teach you how to turn images into a Funko Pop portraits using AI. Let's get started. Funko Pop figures are known for their oversized heads, tiny bodies, and adorable cartoon-like style. They've become collectibles worldwide, representing everything from superheroes to celebrities. Now with AI art tools like Photo or AI artifacts, you can turn your own photo into a Funko Pop style portrait in just a few clicks. To start, go to your browser and go to Photo or AI artifacts. This tool runs online, so there's no need to install any software. Now click the upload button and choose the photo that you want to edit from your computer. For best results, use a clear portrait photo, and good lighting will help the AI capture details for your Funko Pop look. On the left panel, you'll see a wide variety of styles. Now scroll down to the cartoon section, then click on the Funko Pop option. Then watch as the AI instantly transform your photo into a Funko Pop style portrait, complete with the signature oversized head and toy-like look. Now, at the bottom right, click the Compare button, and this will let you see the original photo side by side with the Funko Pop version. And if the first result isn't quite what you want, click the Regenerate button located at the effect thumbnail. Each regeneration takes about 10 seconds and gives you slightly different versions. And if you like this effect, click the star icon to save it to your favorites for easy access later. And once you're satisfied, click the download button to save your Funko Pop portrait to your computer. And here are some tips for beginners. In just a few minutes, you can turn any photo into a Funko Pop style portrait using AI. It's fun and a great way to create unique collectible style art of yourself or your friends. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.